Alien Reptile hover test. Sunnysky 600 kV motors, swinging 12 by 5.5 props. Hobbywing Xrotor 40 amp optical ESCs. Naza M flashed to version 2. The Aero X-Craft X55 extended aluminium arms. It's quite windy today, gusting 20 to 25 mile an hour. That's a 4-cell 8 amp LiPo, and I've set the buzzer to 3.6 volts per cell. It has been very gusty, as you can see. It's trying to hold into the wind. So far we're on 28 minutes. You can see that. Not very well. We had the first beat. Oh, let's just bring it up a bit. So should be good for roughly 30 minutes is definitely possible. Not in wind and flying normally. As you can see, it's quite gusty, but it's holding well. A little bit of tidying up to do. Gimbal rail and gimbal to stick on the front afterwards. Overall, very happy. So that's 29 minutes coming up. Still going strong. With a 4-cell 5 amp battery in it, get roughly 23 minutes down to the first buzzer. 29 minutes and 35 seconds coming up now. Take it to 30 minutes, then shut it down. Alright, thanks for watching, bye for now.